welcome back to, well, I suppose it's a continuation of deep 3D carving with a K40 laser. So I've tried two different types of material, being MDF and pine, and what I want to do now is move to different grain patterns of wood. Now I've got 4 examples here. I'll just fetch it a bit closer to the camera. Okay, now this is Blackwood, and it is fairly dense wood, quite dense wood actually. This one is oak, all right, and that there again, fairly dense wood. So it's very, you know, the grains are very close together. Now this is an exotic wood, comes from northern Australia, and this is Myrtle. This is extremely hard wood, and this is a piece of ultra dense wood, and also ultra expensive. This is Huon pine, only grown in Tasmania, Australia. It is stronger than oak, and it is the most densely packed wood that you can possibly get. This is off a tree that was possibly 2,000 years old. And before you rag me about that, you can't cut these trees down. They must be dead and pretty well falling down before you're able to cut them for, you know, lumber, to make furniture or whatever. So I've got quite a bit of this actually over the years, and it's beautiful. It's got a smell all to itself. It smells, I suppose, a little tiny bit like oranges, but beautiful wood. So I'm betting that the laser's going to do the best job in this, but I don't know, because I've never actually put this in a laser to be 3D carved. So we'll leave that one till last. So I've got a better 3D grayscale picture of a horse, actually, a stallion, that's got, you know, a rounded body and muscles. So it gives it's a better 3D image to engrave and get some sort of gauge of what the laser is capable of doing. So we're going to use that as our test subject, and I think we'll start with the Blackwood first. Okay, so I'm just going to fire the laser up. So I'm going to bring this head over now and set a 0, 0 point. Okay, I'm happy with it about there. Let's just check to see if it's going to go right. Okay, I've got the output of this set to 8 milliamps. Now I think I might have made a mistake in my other video where I said it was 8 watts. It's not. 8 milliamps, which is about approximately 15 watts. Okay, so we'll give this a run. I'm also setting this at that's 250 millimeters per second. Okay, I'm just going to start that again because what I like to do is I like to have the laser snapped in the bottom here and work its way back, and I didn't have that set in the settings tab, so now I put that right and we'll start again. So this time I put the oak in there. Let's see what the K40 makes of oak. Okay, so this one is the Myrtle, and we'll see what the laser makes of this. I stopped the Myrtle because it's just burning it black. It's only fetching a bit of material off, but it's actually making a horrible job of that. So I don't think Myrtle is very good for putting in a laser at all, so I stopped that. Okay, so this is the Huon pine, and I have great hopes for this because I really like this wood, and I've had it in my 100-watt laser and it does quite well. So here we go, let's see how it goes. Just give me a couple of minutes to clean these up under a tap and a brush. I got some surprising results. Well, that was quite a surprising result. The Myrtle, I stopped part way through it. It was horrible. All it was doing was burning it black, really. No good at all. And what surprised me was the oak wasn't far behind it. Horrible. So now we come into the better materials. The Blackwood, not bad actually. You could really do something with that. pretty damn good. But not surprisingly, the best result is the Huon pine. I'm really surprised about that. That's really, really good. Come out well. So I suppose the motto of the video is once you get your speed and your feeds correct, the next thing to get right is the material that you are 3D engraving into. And look, pine is pretty good. MDF is okay. It's okay. But Blackwood and Huon pine, pretty damn good. And I suppose the equivalent to, or what near equivalent to Huon pine in the States would be something like maple or something like that. That's a fairly, probably a fairly good wood to put in a laser for 3D carving. But anyway, we will expand on this because I want to try and do some 2.5D carving. So there we go. Quite a nice result in those two woods anyway. So if you've liked the video, please like and subscribe, and if you really like what I'm doing, you could consider becoming a patron to the channel, because it is the patrons behind the channel that keep everything going. Okay, so thank you for joining me, and it's bye for now.